We will get through all downfalls. We will make it again. After the pain